Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm so excited to share my knitting adventure creating my dream cardigan. This isn't just about yarn and needles, it's a journey of handmade fashion, where I pour my creativity and personal style into every stitch. I've dreamt of a cozy, oversized cardigan for ages. Something that feels like a warm hug on a chilly day. So, I decided to make it myself. This project started with choosing the perfect yarn. I wanted something soft, yet durable, with a beautiful drape. After much searching, I settled on a lovely merino wool blend-in. A creamy, natural color. The texture is just divine. Next came the pattern selection. I spent hours browsing through knitting books and online resources, searching for the ideal design. I finally found a pattern that combined classic elements with a modern, relaxed fit. It featured a simple, yet elegant, cable detail on the front panels, which I found incredibly appealing. Now, let's talk about the process. Knitting a cardigan from scratch is no small feat. It requires patience, dedication, and a good amount of concentration. I started with the back panel, carefully following the pattern instructions. Each row felt like a small victory as the fabric slowly grew under my needles. The cable detail was a bit challenging at first, but I quickly got the hang of it. As I knitted, I found myself getting lost in the rhythm of the needles. The gentle click-clack sound creating a meditative atmosphere. There were definitely moments of frustration, like when I made a mistake and had to unravel several rows. But I reminded myself that every mistake is a learning opportunity. And honestly, those little imperfections are what make handmade items so special. Once the back panel was complete, I moved on to the front panels. These were a bit more intricate due to the cable detail, but I enjoyed the challenge. I even started to personalize the design, adding a few extra rows to the body length to make it extra cozy. The sleeves were next. I decided to knit them in the round, which created a seamless finish. I also added a subtle ribbing at the cuffs for a touch of texture. With all the pieces knitted, it was time for the finishing touches. I carefully blocked each panel to ensure the fabric was smooth and even. Then, I seamed everything together, paying close attention to detail to create a professional-looking finish. Finally, I added the buttons. I chose vintage-inspired wooden buttons that complemented the natural color of the yarn. And there you have it, my dream cardigan. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. It's soft, cozy, and perfectly tailored to my style. This project has been a true labor of love, and I'm so proud of what I've created. Knitting this cardigan wasn't just about making a garment, it was about embracing the slow, mindful process of creating something with my own two hands.